I'm going to try and explain an issue that comes up when we send out a stainless steel gun. It's the AA23H stainless steel gun. When people add the extension on, oftentimes the washer is put on in the wrong direction. And just to show you a little bit, it's the washer that you see on the directions that comes with the gun. We also send a instruction sheet that helps to do that. What you're going to need is a 3/4 inch wrench and a 13/16, and they go on this part of the gun, the 3/4 on here and the 13/16 on this nozzle cap. So what happens oftentimes is when you take the nut off, and I have loosened it already for this demonstration, you need to hold a trigger when you turn the cap off. And what happens oftentimes when you take the cap off, the washer will fall down on the ground and it will get lost. Then when you go back to putting it on, you think that the bevel side would go against the plunger, but it does not seal that way. The other side has a rubber seal that you would actually put that piece inside there, and while you're holding the trigger, and then you need to attach the wand extension and screw that on hand tight, and then you can tighten it with a wrench again, the 3/4 and the 13/16. But that's often what happens, is the washer will fall on the ground, and then when you go to put it back on, and it does not seal and it will leak. So that's just a little bit in a nutshell, the AA23H stainless steel gun. When you purchase it new, you need to be aware, and we send these both instructions, the instructions